Are you tired of dealing with painful blisters, calluses, corns, and other skin irritations? Look no further than the soft cotton adhesive moleskin roll. Measuring 2 inches by 15 feet, this roll is easy to cut and apply to the affected area. Its soft cotton material and adhesive backing provide a comfortable and secure fit for all-day wear. Whether you're an athlete, hiker, or just someone who spends a lot of time on their feet, this roll is a must-have for quick and effective relief from foot and skin issues. Say goodbye to the discomfort and frustration of painful skin irritations. Get your hands on the soft cotton adhesive moleskin roll today and start enjoying the comfort and relief you deserve. Order now and experience the difference for yourself. With one roll included in each pack, you'll have everything you need to keep your feet and skin feeling great. Don't wait, try it out now and see the amazing results for yourself.